So it's the next day. We got a little bit better weather. Carrying on with the Scout project. Right now we're just removing the fasteners that go along the front grille and down both sides of the front fenders. So let's remove those. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in there. And we might have to change these. These ones look like they're just a little bit different size down this side. Now this one's got a ground wire that hooks in with it right here. Oh, this one, and this one are different size. This one up here is the same size as the rest we just removed. Okay. So we got 4 each on the headlights. We're gonna pull those headlight screws out now. That's the adjustment one. We don't need to mess with that. I think we're going to be getting some different headlights, so I'm not too worried about these. One more. Let's pull this guy back in. There's your headlight adjustment. You got springs down here. And then this one adjusts it back and forth. And so we can just pull this clip off. And there's one headlight. Let's do that one more time. Okay, and there's the headlights. We got these ones right here that are holding the lower part of the grill on, which have this nut on there that is kind of flat. Let's see if we can get him off. You're shining it in there, babe. I'll bring my hand in here though. So that's what that guy looks like right there. And those ones go up underneath here. So we've got right up in here, there's 2 fasteners that look like, let me get it lined up here, look like that. They're just on the curve of the fender. See if I can get this in there and get them off. And get them right here. One, and the other one's just underneath the, kind of on a weird angle to get the horn in here. Right there with the lights. That's those 2. There's 4 of those, 2 for each side. Okay. Okay, so the ones that were up and along inside of here, there's actually 3, not 2. I think we're ready to pull that grill off. Oh, yeah, one more fastener. So this side only had one fastener holding it. This side's got two down there, so I gotta get that last one out. We got the covers off, but the bolts are stripped, so we're just gonna unplug them. The signal lights right here. Okay. All right. Just undoing these, this electrical right here with these plastic clips. Let's see how they get these undone right here. Trying to get this behind there. I'm sure there's a special tool for it, but this is working. Let's pull the radiator out. There is 4 fasteners, bolts to hold that on. 1, 2, and the same on the other side. Let's get those pulled out. Okay, so we got the antifreeze drained, hose disconnected, and I think we should just be able to lift it out. I think the fan shroud will clear. Just like that. So this wire here goes to the side markers, the blinkers. I'm guessing the one that's taped up here, yeah, that went to the horn. We've got this horn already undone, and it wasn't hooked up either. That's why the horns weren't working. So let's pull this one off. Okay, there's the 2 horns. You can just leave those hooked right on there. Alright, so the progress so far is we've got pretty much everything on the front pulled off, which is here. Top of the radiator, support there, radiator, the grill, and even the mud flaps. Got all the fasteners soaked, so maybe they'll be a little bit easier to pull off. And we'll call that the end of part 2. Thanks for watching.